Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will continue our learning on LNG network modeling using GAP software from PTEX. It's a very powerful, interesting software, and hopefully we can learn more about this software. Okay, so after everything, now we reach the point where we will run the prediction. It's a very crucial step in our exercise. Okay. And one of the requirements of the model is to be able to capture the change, the evolution of C1 or methane and C2 or ethane during the 5 years of production by considering changes in the separator pressure. Okay, so we will deal with the, running the prediction. And to run the prediction, we select this here, prediction, and then run prediction from the main gap menu. Okay. And as you can see here, we have the tank name, the reservoir there with Embal model. Okay. And within the Embal software, the start of production is on the January 1st, 2007. End of history, no history. And that's it. Okay. And the important part is down here. Start date, January 1st, 2007. End date, we set it to be January 1st, 2012. So we have 5 years of production. And for the computation, for the prediction, we set, for example, the step size to be 2 months. But you can also set it to be 1 month. What about making it 1 month? Okay. All right. And from here, so it's a simple window. We go to the next. Okay. And as you can see here, basically the computation has been done. All right. And so you can see you have here starting and predicted and cumulative oil production, delta oil, and so on and so forth. The system totals, predicted production of oil, this 19 mmstb, and predicted production of gas, and also the production of water. Okay. And I think we go back, next again here. So this is the most important thing here. Within the separator injection manifold pressure production system, we set the pressure to be 1000. Okay, and within the schedule, we already set that there will be change of pressure from 1000 psig to be 500 psig, if I'm not mistaken, on January 1st, 2010. Okay, so that's the schedule. So after setting up the pressure for each of the separator here, you can also change it to be like this, by the way. Okay, so we have 1000 there. Again, go to the next. Go back, next. Okay, it's like this. And we set the mode to be no optimization. And just calculate. Initializing system, loading total, loading tank reservoir, running simulation for Embal. Okay. You see, we are calculating, we are computing, and the computation time will depend on each of the computer. So it will not be the same between one computer and another computer. Okay, it's going to be very different. That's normal, by the way. Okay, still computing. Now we are entering iteration number 6, 7, continues. Okay, let's wait. You can see the log here. But practically you can, neglect everything and just, if you want, just focus on the last message. Okay, I don't know how long it's going to be, so I'm going to pause my video recording and see you at the completion of the computation. Okay. All right, the computation completed. So yeah, if you want to shorten the computation time, you can make the step size larger, like 2 months, 6 months, okay, something like that. I made it 1 month, so that's why it's 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 a bit long, the computation time. Okay, so the last message is here, saving results for MBAL model reservoir underscore final. That's the name of my MBAL model. And then time taken 2 minutes 15 seconds. CPU time 2 minutes 11 seconds. Start of calculation, end of calculation there. Okay, so once the prediction is completed, take note of this CPU computation time. Again, this will vary from machine to machine, from computer to computer. Okay, good. And then you can also, by the way, we are highlighting or we are selecting the log events. You can also check. You can check the script or messages. Go back to the log. Okay, so the computation, the prediction has been completed. You can plot the tank or plot the node. But from here, I'm going to close it here. Go back to main. You can save it. Okay, you better save it. And to save the prediction results, we can go back to the prediction. Okay, and then let's find save prediction results as. Okay, so click on this button. So we have run description. The first one is last prediction run. Number of the time step 61 and the fully compositional, okay, number of time steps 31. Okay, you can do like this, add, and then you call it fully compositional or whatever, and then it will be saved. Okay, I'm going to remove it. Okay. Again, you can prediction, save prediction. So I already removed the one that I added before. Okay, so that's it. Running the prediction is very simple, but what's important after that is viewing the detailed compositional results after you run the prediction. But we will do that later in the next video, and we can close it here. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next Gap videos. Thank you.